Hi there! If the social buttons on TikTok are acting up, then no worries as I've got some simple steps to help out. Now let's get started. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available TikTok updates and install them if there is any. Now keeping your app current ensures you have access to the latest features and improvements. Also, check your internet connection. These buttons need a smooth ride to show up properly. Now, if the problem sticks around, try clearing the app cache through the settings, but heads up, this might lag you out briefly, but it's no big deal. Next trick is giving the app a quick restart, as sometimes a little reset does the job. And also, make sure your phone software is up to date. Updates often fix compatibility issues. Now, if those buttons are still playing hide and seek, consider uninstalling and reinstalling TikTok. This helps clean out any weird files causing the display issue. Also, check your account settings in profile settings for any tweaks needed. If none of these steps work, you can reach out to TikTok support and just describe the issue that you're facing with TikTok.